What is up, guys? Zach Ginn here, and in today's video, you're going to watch me pull, find, skip trace, and cold call probates in this entire video. And now let's break it down. So before we get into it, guys, what is a probate? And I think that's a very important question to ask because not a lot of people talk about it. So probates are basically it's the legal process when someone unfortunately passes away, and that's the process of the things, the stuff, anything of the transferring of maybe the property, maybe a car, maybe assets in it. So if someone had $1 million in the bank account, obviously they're just going, oh, just $1 million goes to the government. No, it goes to the heirs, maybe the son, daughter, wherever. So in this video, we're basically going to talk about how to get a hold of these probate sellers. And probates are amazing, guys. There's so many great videos on probates on this YouTube channel, but no one really has shown actually how marketing for it and actually get going on it. So we're going to get a hold of people who, unfortunately, someone in their family passed away. And we're not going to be very rough or tough. I know a lot of people with probates, they have to get very rough and tough with it. Just going to ask them if they're interested in selling that property. If they're not, hey, no big deal. I'll go on the next one. But if they are interested, we'll have a conversation and try to get a wholesaling real estate. The first one we're doing is we're going to go to Polk County, Florida. We're going to pull the Polk County, Florida probates. So let's go in there and let's do it. So kind of want to show you raw what I do, and I try to find a place. So let me go here to Google. So I use Google, deal with it. Oh my goodness gracious. All right, so let's share my screen here. Show you what I got. So I'm doing Polk County, Florida. So all I'm really going to search here is the Polk County Clerk of the Court. So pretty simple, nothing really too crazy or advanced here, but I'm going to pull the Polk County Clerk of the Court. So we're going to click here and we're going to go to the Clerk of the Court. Basically right here is the Polk County Clerk of the Court. First one there. So always going after the Clerk of the Court. That's pretty important we do that. So that is where we're going to go. So we're going to click. So we might go to official records here. That might actually work. Proceed to site. Sometimes you can't actually go there. So we have to go to official records and pop it up. And let's see what we got. So let's make this bigger for everyone watching. Actually, wait, I can do this instead. Might have an issue on our hands here. Bear with me for a second, guys. It takes me a little bit to get my grips on this. Okay, I think. Okay, we found it. Awesome. So basically what I did here was Polk County Clerk of the Court. I searched the official records. I proceeded to the site here, and it wants me to search by party here. Oops. It wants me to search by party here, and that was the issue on this one. Guys, I'm going very, very slow on this one on purpose. Because it's very imperative that you guys understand how to do this correctly. So by party, they're actually looking for the person that unfortunately passed away. But if you go by documents, see, I have to go by individual person. But if I go by all documents, all the probates, all, let's say, the affidavits, we can go up from there. So that works pretty well. And there's some cool little tricks I can teach you about this, but that's for another day, like trying to steal information. Not steal information, but see where people are getting their, especially wholesalers. So click here to probate documents. So we're just getting the probate information, and then 30 days, due for the last 30 days. Now it's probably going to be a lot. So let's do the week and sort of see what we got. So we're going to search here. We got all this probate data, and a lot of it, we really have to go through it because, as you can see, there's a lot of probate information. Now, let me just tell you one thing I know about pulling probates, and let me go to the top here and show you. Let's do some really new ones. So what we see here is the author Anacker V estate. Okay. What we have to understand here is that, let's say Arthur unfortunately passes away or something, and he might not even own a property. Maybe he was in a nursing home and he was just paying rent or something. I know some people sell their properties and they go to nursing home, assisted living facilities, hospice. It's a very sensitive situation. And sometimes they don't own a property, but they're still on the probate because they had stocks, mutual funds, sometimes a life insurance policy. So what we have to understand is see if this Arthur guy, if he owned property or not. It's not guaranteed that they're on the probate documents that they actually owned property. So that's what we're going to do some further investigating here. And obviously it's not the easiest to pull like code violations, right? Just pull a bunch, put in a big spreadsheet or something, but it's a little more work. And that's why I'm taking a lot of time in this video to show you how to do it. It's very manual. This is stuff I have my VAs do, but I'm going to do it for you guys to help because I know it's going to be a huge help for you guys for me to do this. So let's go back here and share the screen. So we see Arthur here. And what we're going to do, I think you guys know it's Polk because it says on the thing. So we'll keep it like that. So right here, what we're going to do here is Arthur here. So let's see if we can view some information. So it looks like there's no legal address associated. That's not good. But let's see if we can view the document. And we're going to see if that Arthur guy owned any property. So it's very manual the way you do this. But again, if I called 100 probate leads, very good chance I get a deal versus if I did 100 like high equity leads. So it's actually it's a good bang for your buck you're getting there. So we're going to go here and I'm going to go search Arthur Anacker. So Arthur, or maybe I do it by last name. Anacker. Looks like there's no property associated with that one. Yeah, it doesn't seem like there's any owner on file for that one, which is unfortunate, but kind of could tell that because it wasn't even on the thing. So what we're going to do here is, yeah, that's unfortunate. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to keep looking. So we can sort of see right here that that looks like Adam Anderson's got something, and he's got this address right here. So can I actually pull this information? It says I can print the results. That's a lot better. Ooh. So it's right here in like a little nice printed version. That makes it a lot easier. So now I can like hover over things, So well, let me make it bigger or smaller, but whatever. Okay, so as you can see here, we really want to go after ones with legal descriptions on them. So Arthur didn't have one, but this one does. So this one is who's this? Adam Anderson. Let's do Arthur. All right, it's already done for us in the right format, which is nice. Adam W. Anderson's got a lot of properties. Jeez Louise. Okay. So looks like he has 14 properties. So, whoa. All right. He owns something in Frostproof. Kind of house is this? Trying to get some information on this. I don't know how this property appraiser site works, so give me a second. Kind of looks like it's just 0.43 acres. Nothing really interesting there. It looks like he bought this all at one date, which is kind of weird too. But this one seems like maybe it's his personal residence. That's unincorporated land. So this is all land. No, wait. Oh no, it's an actual property, stucco property. Okay. Okay. Building value, yeah, it's got some value. So we're gonna use this address for this guy, and let me show you what I was thinking on this. So I'm gonna make a Google spreadsheet and kind of show you how I would do it. So we're gonna go to Google Sheets right here. Now we're gonna just pop it up here, and let's check on this. So that's your county website. So I am actually on the Polk County Clerk of the Court. And then I am actually on the Polk County Property Appraiser. And now I'm making a Google Sheets to really organize this probate information. So we're just going to go to random Google Sheets. We're going to open that up really quick. We're going to do a blank file. So what we're going to do here is start putting some info in there. So I'm going to put name. It's a little too big. Oops. First name, last name, and then we'll do the property address, property city, state, property zip. So unfortunately, the way the property appraiser works is I go over here and try to figure out this information. So like, let me show you what I got. So Polk County, unfortunately, is not letting me actually pull up the I can't pull the heirs information there, which most wholesalers will say, no, I can't do this. It's too hard to get this list. I'm not able to do it. Well, I'm going to go around that. I'm going to go after relatives. I'm going to find the relatives a harder way because that means no wholesaler is really going after this. So if I can't do it in Polk County, I got to do it in an interesting way to do it. So this Adam guy owns like 14 properties. So this seems like a really good deal. So what I'm going to do is just put some information in the spreadsheet here. Anderson in Frostproof, Florida. I'll put Adam Anderson from Frostproof, Florida right here. And let's see what we got. Let's see what we see here. So click search. It's Adam W. Anderson. So sort of see what we got. So no, there we go. So shoot. Okay. There's Adam Watson and Adam William. So cool part here on the property appraiser, you can see here that it is Adam Watson Anderson, which is pretty cool. So that means we can basically just go, sorry about that, guys. Go here and click it. And we got 3 phone numbers that pop up. We got an email. We actually have associated names, previous addresses, and we have possible relatives, which is very important. And then so let's say we click here, Brandy and Hayes. Her information will pop up right there, which we can call. So we put this all in the spreadsheet. And that's pretty cool. So we're going to actually just call these phone numbers and see if someone actually pops up. So it's a little tedious process, but again, I'm telling you. So Tila's doing it right. I'm watching while searching for my county. That's beautiful. That's what I'm telling. That's what you guys could be doing the right way. So we're going to go search. And let's start calling. And I'm going to be doing this the way I actually usually cold call probates. And the way I actually cold call probates is I basically ask, hey, are you the owner of address? And then if they want to sell it, that's it. I'm not going, hey, I saw Adam died, I'm looking to buy his house. No, we don't do it like that. Facebook user says, you might have covered this, but everyone that pops up on the probate list are all deceased. How do we find them? So do you see here how Adam Anderson's unfortunately deceased? Cool part here is all I do is click possible relatives, and maybe I'll do Adam Joseph Anderson, and their phone numbers pop up right here. So we're going to try to call these numbers. Maybe someone will answer this one, and then, or we'll just go to the relatives on there. Hopefully that answered your question. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.